After a sharp recovery in the economic activity starting October 2020, multiple high frequency leading indicators have plateaued since mid February 2021 alongside resurgence in new COVID-19 infection in some states, most notably Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, and Punjab. Indian curve for COVID-19, which had been on downward slope since mid-September, has witnessed sign of second wave since February. Broadly, numbers suggest that the recovery is unlikely to gain momentum anytime soon. Intensive services also remaining under pressure and point to potential for weaker than anticipated growth print going ahead. The World Bank has scaled up for India's growth by a massive 4.7% points to 10.1% for 2021-22 due to a strong rebound in private consumption and investment growth. Now, for the betterment of the investors, invest in mutual funds, which is giving a total huge potential in future Indian economic market. Due to uncertainty and reduction of interest in provident fund, government securities and fixed deposits, it is the only option to beat the inflation and create a wealth for the investor. The World Bank has scaled up its projection of Indian economic growth by a massive 4.7% points to 10.1% for 2021-22 due to strong rebound in private consumption and investment growth. Considering the uncertainty caused by COVID cases 2021-22, the bank also gave a range of economic growth for India at 7.5% to 12.5% for financial year 2022. At the higher end, the World Bank projection compared well with IMF, which predicted GDP growth rate to be 11.5% during the financial year 2020. Now, since the Indian equity market is well equipped and the index is near 53,000, it's a good opportunity for the investor to invest through the mutual fund or access in this equity market. Recommending few mutual funds which is give you the immense scope for potential for the point of returns and safety of the customers. Out of this, Axis Triple Advantage Fund, Tata Multi Assets Fund, ICICI Prudential Balance Advantage Fund, and UTI FlexiCap funds, these are the most of the funds which give you more than 40 to 50% return year to year basis. Finally, this investment give you not only these returns but the wealth creation for the investor. See friends, nowadays the inflation is giving 8%, taking your income 8% to 9% on year to year basis. The fixed deposit giving you 5.56% and the provident fund give you 7% to 7.1%. Only mutual fund give you the 18%, 19%, 20% annualized yield to annual yield basis, and this is the only scope for the middle class families or the upper class families in India to scope with these mutual funds, which is wealth as well as creations of next generation properties. Finally, I give you last one things, that's during the pandemic situations, not only the India, the US market give you the boost for the investors wealth creation, like ICICI US Blue Chip Fund or Axis Global Equity Alpha Fund or Nippon India US Fund. These funds not only give you the potential benefit of growth, but due to the enhancement of dollar appreciation, it give near about 50 to 60% year to year basis growth for the investor. Thank you for being with us.